Hi guys! For today's video, join me in my cooking session.
Here's the list of our ingredients.
Put the chicken in the pot. Add onion and garlic. Add pepper. Add vinegar, about 2 scoops ng sandok. Add bay leaf or dahon ng laurel. Add soy sauce, mga 4 scoops ng sandok. Kasi hindi na tayo mag-a-add ng water. Add sugar. Depende sa inyo kung gaano kadaming sugar or depende kung gaano katamis yung gusto yung adobo. I-mix lang natin ng i-mix hanggang sa mag-suit lahat ng ingredients natin sa chicken natin. Let's cook it for 20 to 30 minutes. Here's our chicken adobo a la tin. Enjoy! I hope you enjoy watching this video and join me again to my cooking session in my next vlog. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe in my channel. Thank you for watching. God bless.